Seagate Central. So folks, today I'm going to talk about Seagate Central. It's a home network associated storage device. Basically, Seagate Central is for private users. It consists of a Linux OS. It is a device with a CPU of 650 megahertz, while single core, and an OS of 256 MB. So it's a RAM. It's 256 MB of RAM. And how does it share? It shares by Samba share. So it's a pretty limited in its scope. But what is happening here is in the limit, it works pretty effectively as a device. I will show you. Right. So if you will, what I shall do is I have already fit the device in my router, so I've already done the unboxing. I can show you the contents as well, but it would be not wholly appropriate. Actually, I don't have. I will show you the box, and you can figure it out on your own. One second. So this is Seagate Central. This is a device you have seen. You can see it. It's a Seagate Central device, and it's a 4 TB device. So I bought this device. It is effective. So what you have to do is you have to take it, connect it to the Ethernet port of the. There is a power adapter, and you have to connect to power adapter the device, and there is a port for the Ethernet port. Ethernet port, you have to connect it to the router, and once it connects to the router, it is effective by itself. Right. So so once it is connected to the router, it will automatically appear on your computer, Windows computer, Mac computer. In Windows computer, you have to go to the network. While in Linux, this thing Mac, it will automatically appear. In Linux, I have not tried. Probably it also appears on the network. I will show you on Windows. In Android, how you can see it. If you have ES File Explorer, you can see it. Go in ES File Explorer and you see it on your LAN settings. I will show you how in ES File Explorer. This is my phone, and you can see this is ES File Explorer. I hope not very okay. Then you go from here. You go inside the LAN. And LAN settings, and LAN, it will automatically appear. This device will automatically appear in ES File Explorer in LAN, and when you click it, your folders will appear. For example, public folder and other folders. Right? So this is the basic thing. So even if you're, and otherwise you can download an app, Seagate Media app, and it automatically figures out this. Now my next step would be to show you how to configure it on Windows and how does it appear on Windows. So I will share my screen now, and you can see it. So now what I'm going to do is, once you are in the Windows, there you can you have to enter the there are two ways. You download a Seagate dashboard installer, and it automatically configures your device. So when you click on that, automatically the IP will appear. Otherwise, you have to enter http://seagate.nas, or you will see an ID. Otherwise, a more simple way is to go inside your network in Windows, and you will automatically see your computer Seagate's here. I have renamed it, so, and when you click inside it, you will need no password, no nothing. You will see this public folder. You can add user, this and this I have added, right? So now you can also it about browser. Browser, you can access it uh, by, one second, I will show you. http://seagate.nas. One second. Seagate, or what I have done is I have configured in DSCP. So I will show you this. So I have made a static IP, right? So this is the web GUI. I will tell you otherwise also how will it appear. But this is the web GUI. See, you put in the IP. I have configured it by static IP, but I will give you an example. Address web GUI. So you go on how to log into Seagate Central web user interface. If you are on the same network, then this is this thing, how to log on. This is an important how to log on. So start computer, you go on network and click the manage central network link. So this is one way. Okay, I'll show you. So what you have to, I told you how to go to the network. You go in the network, and when you click on the public, there is a link there, manage C-link URL. You see, this is a manage Seagate Central, that is URL. Okay, you have to click on this link, and it will automatically open the browser for you. 1 second, boss. One second. Okay, so it's one now, and you have to open it, manage, and once it will automatically figure it out, right? So you go inside a network, you've seen public, there is get center URL, automatically it will enter. Then you have to set a username, password. I've already done that. You can add user from here, add new user, your name, your like this. Password, you can remote access, you can configure. Social, you can add your Facebook account. Services, you can enable the Seagate Media and DLNA. DLNA plays on Samsung devices. Remote access, you can enable. And iTunes, it will appear. In settings, it is interesting. Settings, you have setup general, you have the device name. About system, it told there is a serial name, and you can power and reset it. There is about the serial name and firmware version. Mine is the latest. And if you don't have the advanced firmware version, it will not happen. The remote access, that you have to keep in mind. Date and time, LAN. I have configured static IP. You can configure a DSCP as well. This manager, it takes the hard drive, smart manager. USB, if you can attach a USB to an extra port. Firmware update, you can check for update, and that's it. So it is fairly limited but works well, right? So I think that is it. Transfers are okay on my device, not very fast. I would call my system is a bit slow, so it is giving 5 megabytes. But in general, things are a bit better in general, right? So, so I mean that was it. I think you should have some use for it.